The COVID Care Team is here to support students impacted by COVID-19. To help you support students who may be impacted, we'll be sharing 5 things you need to know.
The COVID Care Team consists of 6 UMR professionals. Our work is informed by COVID Care Reports, a confidential form that students, faculty, and staff can submit with concerns or questions regarding COVID-19 that could include potential exposure risks or individuals experiencing symptoms.
We reach out to everyone that submits a form and anyone named in a COVID Care report. We strive to respond in less than an hour to all reports. Students are directed to call the OMC triage line or their healthcare provider and are asked to start quarantining immediately until they have further direction from a medical professional. UMR covers the cost of 1 COVID-19 test. We stay connected with students, providing support throughout their isolation and quarantine experience.
Our team meets daily and discusses each COVID Care report. We triage each report and tailor our response to best meet the needs of every individual student. We work continuously to create new procedures and protocols in response to the evolving and emerging COVID-19 information and situations. Information shared with us stays with us. We keep health information confidential.
If a student is advised by their healthcare provider or OMC to quarantine or isolate, we provide support for our students living on campus. We have 8 apartments in 318 Commons dedicated for quarantine and isolation. Students may also choose to quarantine or isolate in their assigned apartment because each apartment is considered a family unit. Quarantine separates and restricts the movement of people who were exposed to COVID to see if they become sick, a negative test result, but a close contact. Isolation separates people who are sick with COVID from people who are not sick, a positive test result.
Our care for students extends beyond quarantine and isolation, as we recognize the ongoing challenges some students may encounter. The COVID Care Team has developed a prevention, intervention, and postvention plan that highlights support services such as counseling and disability resources. Our goal as a team is to ensure that every student is fully cared for and supported.